Another new arrival, the 73 Mustang Mach 1. Ivy glow over black and silver. This car is really, talk about stands out.
It does.
Man.
I was watching videos of Ford Nationals at Carlisle last weekend, and there was a whole row of Mach 1s. Not one of them was green.
Really?
So yeah,
That's
it's a really unusual car.
Speaking of Ford, is John Clore, who's kind of Ford performance guy, who we had on the show.
Year one.
Many moons ago. Back
First
when
season.
season. Season one, yes, of course, in showbiz parlance.
Right.
Season one.
But reposted in the last year.
Oh, yeah, absolutely, because JR's doing that. You're the archivist.
Yes, I am.
Yes, you are. And he's going to be on the show again, so that'll be fun.
Awesome.